In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Excalidraw background color. Changing the canvas background in Excalidraw is a quick way to set the mood of your drawing, improve contrast, and make your work easier to read or present. It's also helpful when you want your sketches to align with a brand color or match a slide deck. Let's walk through it clearly, step by step. First, open your browser and go to excalidraw.com. Excalidraw runs entirely in the browser, so there's nothing to install. You'll land on a blank canvas and can follow along on any modern desktop browser. Next, open the Settings menu. You'll find a Settings option on the toolbar within the Excalidraw interface. Click it to open the panel. Inside Settings, look toward the bottom of that panel. There you'll see the control labeled Canvas Background. This is the option that changes the color behind all of your shapes and lines. The change applies immediately to the canvas you're working on and will be reflected in your exports unless you choose to export with a transparent background. Now choose a color. Excalidraw presents a small set of preset swatches here. These are limited, but they cover common light, dark, and neutral tones. Click a swatch and watch the background update in real time. If you're aiming for readability, pick a color that gives strong contrast with your ink color, especially if you're using a lot of light gray strokes or faint fills. For a softer look, a very light tint can reduce glare compared to pure white. If the presets don't match what you need, use the color picker. In the same canvas background control, open the color picker to select any custom color. You can type a hex code if you know it, or drag the selector until you get the exact shade you want. Many browsers also support sampling a color from an image or anywhere on your screen using an eyedropper. That's perfect for matching a screenshot, brand guide, or any reference image you're viewing while you work. Sampling ensures your canvas background complements the rest of your content without guessing. Once you've chosen a background, you're done. Keep drawing as usual. Shapes, text, and connectors will sit on top of your new canvas color. If you change your mind later, just return to Settings and adjust it again. Your selection is saved with the drawing, so the next time you open the file, your canvas will look exactly the same. That's all you need to change the Excalidraw background color quickly and confidently.